Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a smart car in the workshop. Let's have a look. So this one today has come in for the DMX7722. So it did have an older KENWOOD in it, which we have removed. It was an old DNX524BT. So obviously this one here has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I have my phone paired up now, so you can see we've got Google Maps, we've got Spotify, we've also got parking. That's all I've got on mine. There are apps like Waze. We've also got DAB stereo. Customer also has a parking camera on this, which we have connected up. And this head unit also has your normal Bluetooth hands-free audio streaming. There we go, there's that one there.